everyone, Chef Yo to the Dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal could be used for like all your meals of the week because it is a easy 2-ingredient pulled pork made from pork loin roasts, and it's delicious and so easy. I mean, like the title says, it's an allrecipes.com recipe, so my mom's going to put a link in the description box below, but this one is pretty true to the recipe because it was, there's not a lot of allergens in this one, so it's really easy, really easy, and just make sure you thaw out the roast first. So you need about 2.5 pounds. Anyway, so it's delicious, it smells great, so we highly recommend it. And you can use it for so many things. You could use it for pork nachos, for pork tacos. You could use it for Taco Tuesday. You could use it for over rice, over pasta, on sandwiches, on buns, whatever you want to do. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yo to the Dog, out.
All right, everybody, as Yoda said, we are making a 2-ingredient pulled pork. Super easy. So we're going to get our slow cooker on low. I thawed out this pork roast. You want to have a 2.5-pound pork loin roast, and this one's 2.66, so pretty close. This is a Prairie Fresh boneless pork tenderloin. And it fits perfectly in the bottom of my slow cooker. And you cover the bottom of the slow cooker with water. So that's basically it, just enough water. It was about a cup for me, but just cover the bottom of the slow cooker with water. Put this in here on low for 7 hours. We're gonna cook it for 7 hours on low and slow all day long. Go to work, come back, and then I'll show you what to do next. 7 hours, low, 2.5-pound or so pork roast. I almost forgot to mention, I read the reviews on this because this is an allrecipes.com, and some people added some like salt and pepper, garlic, whatever. So you know me, I have the blend. So I put the blend all over every side of these little tenderloins. I realized there are 2 in that package, and that's what makes the 2.66 pounds. But anyway, so I put this all over them while they're soaking in the water there, and that'll give it some extra flavor, including, the barbecue sauce that we're gonna put on them later. So anyway, I added the blend. Okay, everybody, it's been 7 hours on low, and so now I'm shredding it, and look at this. I'm not even trying. So it's done for sure. It shreds pretty easy. The instructions say to put it in a separate bowl and shred it, and then put it back in here for another 45 minutes to an hour, pouring the barbecue sauce in. I don't see the need to pull it out and put it in a bowl to shred it. See how easy this is? So just shred it up with your forks. And then we're gonna pour in this barbecue sauce right here, the sugar-free G. Hughes barbecue sauce, original. And so I'm gonna finish shredding this other one, pour that in there, and let it stay on low and cook together with the barbecue sauce for 45 minutes to an hour on low still. All right, so I have poured in an 18-ounce bottle of barbecue sauce, and we're using the G. Hughes sugar-free to make it keto. I have shredded it all, stirred up with the barbecue sauce. We're gonna put the lid back on, and it is still on low for another 45 minutes to an hour. Just let it cook in the barbecue sauce. And we checked the temperature. It was well over 170. It only has to be 145 for pork tenderloin, so it's good. Yep. So it is ready to eat, and it is delicious and so easy. I mean, thawing it out was probably the hardest part. So I highly recommend this. And look at all this meat. You could use it for so many things. You could have pulled pork tacos, nachos. So you could use it for Taco Tuesday. Put it on pasta, put it over rice. Just eat it by itself, eat it on buns. Totally up to you. Enjoy. Happy Monday.